We'll guide you through how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've got the Wi-Fi QR code here and you're wondering how you're going to go and scan it. So first of all, you do need to go and get it onto your computer. So there are different ways you could try this. If you can try using a Ethernet cable, which is a wired connection, to go and get a connection onto your computer and then email the QR code from another device like a phone onto it and download it to go and scan it. If you aren't able to go and get a connection, do not worry. What you could try doing is using a USB drive. So you could go and put the QR code onto the drive and connect to this computer and then go and get the QR code on here. I already have it though, so that makes it much easier. Once you've got it like I have here, what we need to do is go and open it up like so, and as you can see, here it is. So now what we can do is go and scan it. So to go and start with this process, you want to go and press a shortcut. So the app we are going to be using should actually already be installed on the computer, so we can go and start using it right now. So what you can do is go and press the shortcut keys, Shift, Windows Start key, and S together like so. Now, what we can do is we can actually go and take a snippet of the QR code and a screenshot essentially. So click, hold and drag over it, release, and there it is. Then what you can do is go and click on it and it'll then go and open up as you can see. And so what we can then do is we can go and scan this here. You need to go to the top of snipping tool and you'll go and find this scan here and go and click on it. And it's now going to go and scan. And as you can see, there it is. What you can do is go and click on this here as it's going to basically output it. And then what we want to do is just go in somewhere to go and paste it. So I like to go and use Notepad. So press search at the bottom and type in Notepad and it should open up. Then what you can do is go and paste in here what you just went and copied. So you can right click and go and press paste. And there it is. You can go and find the password after P. So that's it here. Find the password after P:, and at the start, you can go and see the network name after WPA:. That's it there. If I press connections in the bottom right, I can then go and press available and press the arrow to the right. And we can go and find the network called GR, click on it and press connect. And then we can go and paste in the key. Press next. That's it. We're now connected. Leave a like if you found this useful.